Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my video for today. sorry if you hear any raining sound. It's raining in my place. Okay, for today's video we have full crocodile sweep in part of new move challenge. I'm bringing back this series and I want to complete all the moves. And okay, let's go into this crocodile set. It's a fast physical sweeper along with 252 EVs in attack and speed, along with the jolly nature, also in 4 special defense, and the ability is Moxie. What Moxie does is, if you see my Sandile video, it raises our attack if we kill a Pokemon, and item is Life Orb to damage opponents even more, raise my attack power even more. And the moves are Lash Out for new move challenge. Lash Out is a cool move. It's 75 base power. If any of our stats lowered on the turn, its base power will be doubled. So it will become 150 base power. And Earthquake for stuff, Fire Fang for coverage and Close Combat for coverage. But Lash Out doesn't get any power boost in this battle. Okay, let's go into the battle. Okay, here we are in the battle. I think this is the battle. Or maybe not. Okay, he used substitute. I used Surge Dance. He used Surge Dance. Our Aqua Tail missed. I think I had 2 sweeps for you guys. He used Surge Dance. We send out our Crocodile. He used Bash and Pass. This Umbreon, which I used Fire Fang and it faded. And the Dynamax used Max Knuckle, and the Umbreon fainted. All hidden is useless. He sent out his Ninjask. I had 2 sweeps for you guys. I used Max Flare and KO'd that Ninja. If you guys wanna see 2 sweeps in your video, ask me. I used Max Flare on that Zacian. We are at now 4 times into attack. His handout is Inteleon, which I used Lash Out, which killed it even if it's Gigantamaxed and its HP is doubled, because Inteleon is very fragile. And we won the battle. I had another sweep for you guys. Okay guys, here we are in another battle. I had 2 sweeps. Unfortunately, I doesn't Slowbro video is so big, so I doesn't load it. But in Crocodile Sweep, I'm going to show you guys. We send out our Scolipede. He used Surge Dance. He used Stealth Rocks. We used another Surge Dance. He used Lava Plume, or I would like to say Lava Plume, and I used Baton Pass. And our Crocodile, which he used Explosion. Thank God. Sent out his Eternatus, which I dynamized, and used Max Quake. Sorry. Our attack is, he sent out his Charizard, Gigantamax his Charizard, which I used Max Darkness, and it killed. He sent out his Zacian, which I used Max Quake. Thank God, the Sentiment had Flash Fire, so that's there. He sent out his Zekrom, which I used Lash Out to kill. And he sent out his Zacian. He disconnected and we won the battle. That's the sweep for you guys. I'll see you in the next sweep.